Hello friends. So today I'm gonna show you guys how you can convert your old rice cooker into an hot plate. So this is very important and very useful video for you guys if you are in a country that uh, cooking materials like LPG gas or wood is hard to find these days. So this process is really simple. So you can see the excess parts of my rice cooker. So what I did was, first what you have to do is you have to unscrew every screw in your rice cooker. So first you have to unscrew these screws and take the bottom lid off and orderly fashion you have to take out all the screws. So these are the screws and unwanted things for this project which was in the rice cooker. And after that you have to separate this inner pot of the rice cooker and the outer shell of the rice cooker. Then you have to use only these equipments only. So this plug and this plug point to the rice cooker, and this hot plate, and this if you are having this kind of mounts, and this outer casing of the rice cooker. So you after you keep these mounts at the bottom of the rice cooker, you have to place this hot plate on it, and you have to measure the height which you have to maintain in the outer case of this rice cooker, because if you want to keep a large pot or something on this hot plate, if this rice cooker is present like this, you can't put it on this. So you have to cut the excess height of this outer shell. So you have to measure up to what height you have to keep the outer cover. So after measuring that, you have to cut it, and you have to bend the outer cover so that any injuries won't occur. After that, the wiring is the thing you have to do very carefully, because this is working through 230 AC volt. So you have to make sure that no electric shock is happening. So for that you have to here I think you can see under this hot plate there are two terminals like this, and there's no proper order according to my knowledge. So you can connect the there's one wire with a resistor. It's this brown wire, and the other one is this blue wire, and the earth wire is mostly present in this yellow and green color. And if you notice very carefully, when you take apart the screws, the earth wire is always connected to the outer shell. So likewise, you have to connect the wire with the resistor and this blue wire to the hot plate, and the earth wire to the outer shell. So then there will be no any electric shock, and you have to do this very carefully, not because the wires can get damaged, because when you using, you have to make sure that there will be no electric shock. So make sure you connect these wires very well, and make sure to cover the these wires with the black tape, insulation tapes, and make sure the wires are not contacting with the hot plate, so the wires will melt. And after that you can connect these two handles to handling purposes, and the bottom also can be fixed using the screws. So it's really simple method, and for this zero cost happened to me because I had this faulty rice cooker. What I needed was this hot plate and the outer shell and this plug base. So without any cost you can make this using an old rice cooker. These excess parts are not used to us, but anyway you can keep those things if another useful project occurs, and if you need some kind of equipment from this you can use these things. And that's it for today, guys. So thanks for watching this video, and let's meet with another useful video. And another thing, you have to make sure to make this very carefully, because this is work with AC 230 volts, and make sure the earth is well connected to avoid any electric shocks, and make sure to take the responsibility, because I'm just teaching you guys this. You have to do the wiring very carefully, and please avoid any kind of injuries and electric shocks. Thank you for watching this video, guys. So let's meet with another good video. Thank you, guys.